Hello, we have here today two lightning cable connectors that don't charge. One is charging, but you need to uh, find the right position for this. So clearly one cable is not where it's supposed to be, so we need to open it. And this one, I think, it has a short circuit somewhere, because the charger is making funny noises when I plug this in. So I'm gonna show you how to open the white piece, because some users asked me how to remove the white piece, and I said to cut it on the side. So we're gonna cut it on the side. Need a blade, anything sharp should work. One of these cables is um, should be the real deal. It costs about 20 bucks, and the other one is cheaper, so it shouldn't be the real shit. We're gonna see if the insides are different, the chips inside are different. Be careful when cutting this so you don't cut your fingers. I have here a big cut on my finger, so I wish you not to get one like me. So it snapped, so now I can open it. As you can see, these cables see, this is not good, and this looks like something else I saw. I mean, the other cables I opened didn't have this chip, so maybe this is an original cable. But look what happened here. Oh my god. Now for the other one, we're gonna do the same thing. Cut it on the side. Be careful with your fingers. Need some force to do this. Yeah. This one looks like the other cables I opened, and as you can see, it's a mess in here as well. The red cable is broken all the way, and the green and the white touches one another. So I need to fix this too. But yeah, that's how you remove the white piece of the cable.